I start the video today by thanking my dear friend Jana. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today, what a wonderful and interesting easy dish from Jana. This recipe courtesy is from Jana, my friend. As I told you all, heat a pan, add 1 teaspoonful of white oil. To this add 1 large onion very finely chopped, and here goes some cloves of garlic finely chopped, some grated ginger or finely chopped ginger, and green chili. This goes according to your taste, how much flame you can tackle. Here goes a chicken which I have marinated for 10 minutes with a little bit of salt and black pepper powder. It helps in tenderizing the chicken. Now very nicely mix everything for a few seconds and then cover it and cook it till the chicken is tender and it releases a lot of water, and when all the water is almost absorbed into the chicken. In between add salt according to your taste. Here do not add any sweetening agent because this sweetness do not go with this dish. Friends, if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button and share with your friends as much as possible. Now after 7 minutes my chicken is totally done, and I'll take out the cover and I'll show you all, friends. Now again I'll cover it and I'll shift it to another oven, or I'll just shift it somewhere else, and then here I will take a tadka pan. To this tadka pan I'm going to add 2 teaspoonful of ghee. Here I have used desi ghee. You may use butter also, I'm not very sure, but Jana told me to use ghee, so I'm using desi ghee here. And after the ghee is nicely fumed, see the fume is coming out from the ghee, to this I'm adding 2 teaspoonful of chana dal. This is my own amendment. It really gives a very nutty taste. And goes some mustard seeds, 1 teaspoonful of mustard seeds, and few curry leaves. When all of them very nicely splutters and all the aroma is released, here comes the catch of the dish. I'll show you all, friends. Now make it aromatic and make it nicely fried. When the tempering is done, here take out the chicken again and pour the tempering on top of it, and what a aroma is released, I can't tell you, friends. But be very careful about giving the standing time of this dish, which is very essential. Now mix it very lightly and cover it and keep it at least for 5 minutes, so that all the aroma of this exotic tempering infuses into your chicken dish, and it will give you a wonderful taste also, I can assure you, friends. Now cover it and keep it for 5 minutes. And in between, those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe along with the small bell icon so that you get all the notification as soon as I upload my videos. Now here one more point, put 1 green chili, slit green chili, and again cover for 2 minutes at least. Now when you open it, the green chili has become soft and it has also released its aroma. Now do try this, friend, with steaming hot rice, with paratha, with fulka, whatever you like it. I have tried it with fulka and it was wonderful. Thank you, Jana, for this wonderful recipe. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all again. Thank you for watching.